Introducing the ultimate addition to your home decor, the premium light luxury plaid carpet. Crafted with precision and style, this carpet is the epitome of sophistication. Whether it's for your bedroom sanctuary, your vibrant living room, or your cozy study corner, this carpet seamlessly complements any space. Its versatile size makes it perfect for various areas in your home, from right along the side of your bed to under the coffee table in your living room. And the best part? It's incredibly easy to care for. Simply toss it in the washing machine for a quick clean. Available in 5 different sizes, there's a perfect fit for every room in your home. Made from a blend of polypropylene and polyester, this carpet is not only luxurious, but also wear-resistant, ensuring long-lasting beauty. Transform your space with the premium light luxury plaid carpet. Elevate your home decor to new heights.